Welcome everybody. We will go for 30 minutes on MEGL stock on 18.8 and how can we deal with this step by step together. Let's start. Okay, you see here when you put the technical analyzer, you see that a lot of lines. Okay, step by step, it seems that this is the actual chart that should happen. Okay, I think it's still not increasing a lot yet. It will increase until here, and maybe there is a chance of increase if it moved like a straight line momentum, so you can start investing about this side or about this level, and it will increase in momentum in the future one day, after next month or after next year. And that was my opinion about price prediction and technical analysis of MEGL stock. I hope you benefited from this video.